In front of me is our Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by selecting messages and clicking on one of your chats, or creating a new chat by hitting Start Chat at the bottom and tapping on one of your contacts. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner of your chat window. Then tap on your photo that you wish to add, or select folders if your photo isn't recent. To look for it over here. Then to add it, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!